A civil danger warning has been issued for the state of Ohio. This message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police. Many 911 calls has been made about a game character that is apparently chasing people in Cleveland. This character is highly dangerous and has not been identified yet. This should transmit through the entire state of Ohio. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for the latest updates.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a shelter-in-place warning message. The following message is being transmitted by the order of the Ohio State Police and the Cleveland Police. Approximately 10:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. An investigation was successful, and the suspect is called Sonic.exe. This character was from a fan-made video game of a creepypasta character. This character kills his victims by chasing them and then kills them by stabbing them. A shelter-in-place means to close and lock all doors immediately, and keep all pets and children a safe place. You are requested to shelter in place at this time. The emergency alert system has been activated.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted by the United States government and Homeland Security. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted by the United States government. Since this is an emergency action notification message, this will transmit throughout the United States. This message is for the following states and should be disregarded if you're not in these areas: South Carolina, North Carolina, Ohio, Alabama, New York, New Jersey. According to the Ohio State Emergency Management, the current situation with the killer Sonic Boom character has increased in death rates, and since this character can run the speed of light, it is recommended for anyone in a 500-mile radius of Ohio is to shelter in place at this time. This is an emergency action notification message. All broadcast and cable systems in assigned areas should broadcast this alert. This message is transmitted by the White House. To participate in the emergency alert system, remember, sheltering in place is advised. To shelter in place, it is recommended to do the following actions. Turn off all electronics, as Sonic.exe has super hearing and you will face certain death if not. Close all windows. It is recommended for anyone to get in a closet or basement or a room with no windows. Make sure you got a battery-powered radio to get news and updates on this situation. President Trump will make a speech on this situation in 1.5 hours. The emergency alert system has been activated. This message is at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The person found responsible for this terrorist activity earlier today was found to be a creepypasta name.
Alright, I'll close my eyes and count to 10. 1. Bound you, silly. You want to try it again? Get ready for round 2. But this time, when you lose, your soul will belong to me.
Tonight, 65 degrees Fahrenheit with a 20% chance of rain. Time, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for Middle East Ohio, including the Athens County metropolitan area. Current warning that is issued. Emergency Action Notification is a message for the entire United States of America. Shelter-in-place warnings for the following areas: Ohio, South Carolina, North Carolina, Alabama, middle parts of Tennessee, and northern parts of West Virginia. This transmitter is running off Athens City, Ohio. We are KZZ46 running at 166.425 Hz. Tomorrow, 41 degrees with a freezing rain warning in effect. Source: radar indicates freezing rain. Time 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
The zone forecast for the Middle East Ohio, including Athens County, Ohio, the rest of the night. Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s with the highs in the mid-50s with a 0% chance of precipitation. Today mostly sunny, with slight fog. Highs in the lower 60s. Southeast wind speeds about 10 miles per hour.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. This message is at the request of the White House. This is not a test. Please stand by for an emergency message. This message is at the request of the United States Government, Homeland Security and the United States Department of Self-Defense. This is not a test. This is an update as of 1:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sonic.exe is currently took the state of Ohio hostage. For anyone in Ohio, lock all doors, windows, and other reachable areas in your home. Do not use blankets, curtains, or other easy accessible items. Instead use wood, dresser, desk, or other hard material. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted by the United States government. Sonic.exe has apparently went back to his world, and the police and Sonic made a treaty. This is an emergency action termination all broadcast